The color, you guys. Wow, it's so cute. Like, I'm really a classic type of girl. Like, I only like classic colors.
But you want me home. I get you what you want, but you want me alone.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Zanae Simone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, you already know you're a real one. If you're new, hey, what's up? Make sure you come join us by clicking that subscribe button. Make sure you leave a like and a comment, you guys. So in this video, I will be unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I'll just be showing you guys and setting it up a little bit with you guys. Also, I will be showing you guys a little small clip because I actually purchased the iPhone 16 Pro first. I didn't like it. I feel like for me it was small. I feel like the 16 Pro Max just fits better in my hand. I'm able to see my pictures better. I'm just able to see overall better. I don't know if I'm blind. I don't know what it is. And also, I feel like me personally, I have like big hands. So yeah, let's get right into the video, you guys. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Let's get into this iPhone 16 Pro Max unboxing, y'all. So I ordered it. It came in this box. I ordered this in the store literally 3 days ago. So Tuesday, before I went to work, I ordered this in the store. It literally got to me in 3 days. So if you guys know, I'm gonna insert some clips. I actually bought the iPhone 16 Pro first. I recorded an unboxing video and I didn't like it. I went to go buy it in the store. The lady was like, oh, because I have two phones now. So the lady was like, oh, you want two big phones? Because this is actually really big, you guys. Like, phone 16 Pro Max is bigger than the other previous Pro Maxes. So yeah, I'm gonna open it. So I got natural titanium. I got 1 terabyte because, as you know, content creators, we be needing a lot of space, and instead of having to delete space and go through storage, you might as well just spend the money right then and there, you know. So I decided to go with natural titanium. I actually, like, oh my goodness, you guys, like, this is so gorgeous. I just feel like compared to the iPhone 16 Pro, it was like really small in my hand, and I just don't like to feel like I'm like squinting and looking. So I really did, yeah, so we just decided to go with this. So the phone comes, I love the color, you guys. Wow, it's so cute. Like, I'm really a classic type of girl. Like, I only like classic colors. The pink was cute, but I needed to have the Pro Max because it just gives professional, it gives businesswoman, it gives that girl. Like, you see my phone? Like, what? Don't talk to me. All right, y'all, so it comes with a charger. It comes with a charger. The material is different compared to like the other previous chargers. If you can see, the material is kind of like a shoestring, but it has like a wire inside. Like, literally, that's the best way I could describe the charger. And yeah, so it doesn't come with the box. I think the iPhone's been stopped coming with the wall piece or whatever. So yeah, you guys, I bought a case from Apple as well. Literally, I was so excited to get the phone just so I could put the case on. So I saw one of my customers came in my store and I seen this case. So I was like, I gotta go get that case. So I literally am so excited just to put the freaking case on. But just having that new phone experience, like, you know. So let's take off the paper together. And then we're gonna turn on the phone. Let's see if it turns on. It's so pretty, like, I love it. So while it's turning on, let's open up the case. I'm so excited for my new phone. I'm going to the concert tomorrow, so this is the case. It's really giving Pink Friday. Like, God is so good. Like, God said, now you're gonna have your iPhone 16 Pro Max, you're gonna go to the concert, you're gonna do your makeup, you're gonna do your hair, you're gonna do your big one. Like, yeah, so this is the case. The phone is on. The phone is on. on, so let's put it on. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. I like it, you guys. So let's set it up together. I speak English mainly. What do we want? Do we want our phone to be on default, medium, large? I think, do we want large? Everybody could see everything. I think I'm gonna just do default. Set up without another device. Yes. Wi-Fi. Oop, y'all can't know my Wi-Fi. Yes, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, you guys, so it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Okay. But yeah, anyways, every day we lit. So you guys, I guess that's it for the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. I'm super excited to have my new phone. My new phone. New phone, who this? New phone, who this? Hello? Get off my line. I forgot to mention, you guys, before I let you guys go, I just really wanted to show you guys the quality and really show you guys why we really came here. Like, what we really came for the iPhone 16 Pro Max for is for the camera quality. And I come here to let you know that you need to go and buy this phone like yesterday if you in for taking pictures and just the whole content creator, everything. And one thing I also wanted to let you guys know is if you also want to start YouTube, you don't need to go buy a camera, you guys. At this point, the iPhone camera is T. Clock that T. Yeah. So let me just go to a picture that I really like and show you guys. I really like these pictures. So now just look at the background and like the quality. There's no edits on this picture. I love this picture so much. The quality is amazing. I just took more pictures today. I just got my hair done. Let me show you guys the pictures from today. Look at this. The quality is beautiful. Like, it's chef kiss. Like, I usually put edits on my pictures. I feel like with this camera, I don't even have to put edits. Like, it automatically just gives you a beautiful glow. So far, that's my experience with the phone. I bought the phone for the camera and it's T. Like, I'm even thinking twice about really booking a photographer. Like, all you need to do is just take your pictures, and if you know how to edit, and do your little one too. So yeah, it's definitely a great investment. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy your new phone. I'm gonna enjoy my new phone. And yeah, but also I also want to say, you guys, I have the 13 Pro Max, and I feel like that's the phone I had before I went and got the 16 Pro Max. And I also feel like the 13 Pro Max camera is still chef kiss. The camera is still really great quality. So don't rush to buy a new phone if it's not like if it's not in your means, or if it's not urgent, like, really. But I just feel like I had that phone for, I guess we on the generation, we 3 generations up now. So I just feel like it's a good time for me to, you know. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to.